Good Thursday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's our latest enhanced satellite loop across South Africa. And you can see a few pop-up thunderstorms that have developed recently across the northern interior, from Gauteng through Mpumalanga and southern Limpopo. That's expected to continue overnight, very isolated in nature. We have a fairly persistent light rain along the east coast thanks to an onshore wind that's likely to continue overnight between Durban and East London. If you look closely near the border of the Northern Cape and the Western Cape, we have very isolated hit-or-miss thunderstorms developing, so we'll leave in just a 20% probability of a passing thunderstorm across that region. Otherwise, fine and dry weather for the majority of the western half. Here's our futurecast map. Isolated thunder showers near Pretoria and Johannesburg. Rain showers expected along the east coast overnight. As we look into your Friday, the start of the early weekend, we have a very similar weather pattern across the country. Isolated afternoon and evening thunderstorms across the northern Highveld. Rain showers expected once again throughout the east coast. Sunshine over the west with fine and dry conditions for Cape Town as well as the south coast. Back to tonight, our greatest probability of rainfall lies from southern Limpopo through the Highveld of Mpumalanga, including Gauteng, the extreme eastern sections of the Free State, and much of KwaZulu-Natal and the interior of the Eastern Cape. That's where we have a 60% probability. We also have that 20% chance of rain near the southern high ground of the Northern Cape and the Western Cape interior, but notice Cape Town and George will stay dry. 17 overnight if you're located near Pretoria. We do have the possibility of a passing thunderstorm. Temperatures warm to 28 by this time tomorrow. Afternoon and evening thunderstorms possible as well. Now, our winds across the country are quite erratic at the moment. We do have our onshore wind thanks to a low pressure system just off the east coast, but you can see how different the winds are throughout South Africa going into your Friday. Nonetheless, an easterly component to the wind along the southern Cape, southeasters for Cape Town, general northwester across the Highveld, and a southwesterly breeze for Richards Bay. Temperatures overnight dropping into the lower teens for most locations. 13 for Bloem, 15 for East London, 18 overnight for Cape Town. Johannesburg, you'll drop to 15 degrees. Temperatures will be very summer-like this Friday, especially over the western half. Daytime highs in the upper 20s for many locations, 27 for the mother city, 25 if you're located near Durban, 26 for Johannesburg, 28 for Bloemfontein. Now, your extended forecast this Saturday, isolated Highveld thunderstorms, chances of rain for Durban once again, partly cloudy over the west. By Sunday, we include a chance of rain and cooler temperatures down along the southern Cape. That's all from me. Take care.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com